Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software update for your headphones Beats Studio Pro. So, all you need to have, firstly it's turn on your headphones, and your headphones of course should be connected with your phone. Then open the application and right here I have the latest software version, because if you haven't, on this icon you will see a button update, and also if you scroll down right here at the first line you will see update also and update button. Tap at this button and then you can update it. If you have nothing information about update here, it means that you have the latest software version. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!